Children, today we will start AP and GP, arithmetic progression and geometric progression. So what are these? Suppose any sequence is given. What is sequence? Sequence is any number series of numbers given to you, like 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, or any series of numbers given, and they follow a specific relationship between them. What type of relation? Like in this case, you can see the difference between 5 and 2 is 3. Difference between 8 and 5 is 3. Difference between this and this is 3. See, so the difference between all the consecutive numbers are same, then they are said to be following any specific relation. Like in this case, the common difference between the consecutive numbers is same. The common difference is same. So this is the case of arithmetic progression. Like see in the next case, this can be said as 1 cube, this can be said as 2 cube, this is 3 cube, this is the value of 3 cube, this is 4 cube, and this is 5 cube. Again, this is following a certain relationship, means the consecutive numbers are there and the cube of the consecutive numbers are given in the series. So this is also said to be following a specific rule. So this is also a sequence, but this will not be a AP or GP. Now see the next one. If we multiply this 2 by 3, we are getting the next numbers. Again, this multiplied by 3 getting the same number, this multiplied by 3 getting the next number. So again, this is following a specific relationship. Or we can say that divide 6 by 2, we are getting 3. Divide 18 by 6, we are getting 3. 54 by 18, again we are getting 3. So this is again following a specific relationship. So this type of series of numbers is called a sequence. And among these, which is AP and which is GP? So AP series is what? AP series is when the difference is common between the consecutive numbers. And remember that difference is always taken out not by 2 minus 5, always from the next number, from the preceding term. Never take out the common difference 2 minus 5. Again, it will be minus 3. So always next number minus the preceding number. So whenever any series follows a sequence, like the difference is same between the consecutive numbers, the difference is same. See, the difference is same is here is 3 in all the consecutive numbers. So when the difference is same between the consecutive numbers, it is said to be this sequence is said to be in AP. This sequence is said to be arithmetic progression series. This is a series and the difference is same. This is called arithmetic progression series. Now we have proved that this is AP series or arithmetic progression series. Now there are certain terms to find out. Suppose we have, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, fourth, fifth, sixth. Suppose we have to find the 20th term. So how to find? There is a formula for that. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to take out any term, 20th term, 21st term, 100th term. And a is what? A is the first term given to you of the series. Any first term, whether negative or positive. A is 2. D is what? The common difference between the consecutive numbers. Remember, difference is taken out by subtracting next term from the preceding term. 8 minus 5. So the difference, common difference is 3. So suppose we are going to take out the 7th term of this series. This is first term, this is second term. Suppose we are going to take out the 7th term of the series. The formula is, single formula I have told you till now, a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term, put the value of a, first term. N is the position of the term which we have to put. N is the position of the term. N is position of term. And minus 1, 7 minus 1 into the common difference. What is the common difference which we have taken out? Now solve it out, we are getting 20. Now take the next question. Which term of the sequence? Which term of the sequence 1, 5, 7, 9, 13 is 17? Now the value of a term is given. We have to find here the position was said and we have to find the value of that position. Now in this case, we are given the series and you are asked to find the position of this term. value is given, position is asked. Means according to this formula, this value is given, we have to find this position. Now see this series, this is the series we have got. So first term is A, common difference 9 minus 5 or 5 minus 1 or 13 minus 1, the value should be same, then only it will be an AP series. So whenever you have to prove whether this is an AP series, just take out the difference, common difference, see whether the difference is same in all the quantity terms, then it will be a AP series. So the first term is given, difference we have taken out, Tn, the nth term, A plus and minus 1 into D is the formula we have. Value of the term is given 77. We have to find the position of the term. A is given 1 and we have to take out. D is the common difference is 4. On solving we are getting the n is equals to, that means this 77 lies at the 20th position. Lies at the 20th position. This 77 lies at the 20th position.